The pneumatic design definitely was a key thing, because I think that helps make it precise, and it also, yeah, precision is really important in treating COVID patients who have to go on ventilators, because a lot of them have symptoms similar to ARDS, and in treating patients with that disease, I guess, the ventilators need to be really precise. So the pneumatic design helped with that. And also with the air delivery, besides precision, you want it to be gentle air delivery as much as possible, so that you don't cause further lung damage for patients who already are suffering from pretty serious lung injury. So that was one thing. And then in terms of pneumatic designs, what else did I say? I had made some notes regarding that. Yeah, I think those were the main things in terms of the pneumatic design. And then in terms of just the engineering team, our level of documentation was intense. And so the open source nature of the project, I think, the fact that we had documented so much of our process and what exactly went into designing the ventilator, what things were considered. So all of those things, the documentation, even the judges were like, your documentation is impressive. So I think that was a real, that was like a big contribution that we made to the open source ventilator design community, I think. So, so I think that was another reason that they chose Smith Vent. So yeah, I guess those were the, and the third thing, they did like the UI because we had taken into consideration what the user would need in terms of using the devices. So I think those were like the prime reasons that I understood as reasons for being chosen as the winner. I think they decided that they would use elements of the top two winners, I think. And so elements from both our design and the second place design will be used in I guess going forward with hopefully producing a ventilator and using it for, I think they're starting with some countries in Africa. So I guess they're going to be using a combination of the two teams' designs.